Good morning, everybody. It is another day at the beach on vacation, and today's a very special day. Why is it, Lincoln? Why is it a special day today?
Because it's Mason's party.
Because it's Mason's birthday? Mason.
I'm 5.
You're 5? Are you serious? Oh my goodness, 5 years old. We have a 5-year-old.
Hey, say
wow.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Can you tell your brother happy birthday?
He did. He said happy birthday.
Yeah, he's just patting away.
Birthday,
Happy birthday. Wow, 5. It's crazy. Today is his official birthday, so we're going to have some fun celebrating today. All right, you guys ready to go upstairs? Let's do it.
Wait, let me go up first. I think I could just let it be. Actually, Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Woohoo! Yay!
Say happy birthday.
Wow. And there's Tay Tay. What's up, bud? You excited?
What does that say up there, Mason?
Happy birthday.
That's right.
How old are you today?
5.
5. Are you so excited to be 5? I can't believe you're 5 years old. I can't believe it. You're so old.
Are you ready for pancakes? Yeah, let's do it. Pancake man.
We're making do with what we have here. Not a normal setup, but it's okay. Figure it out. We'll have some good pancakes on the birthday
They
boy.
look delicious.
Thank you very much. Got a built-in griddle, which is pretty fancy, I will say. I'm excited about this.
Look.
Oh, you missed the flip. The pancake
Oh,
flip.
the pancake flip.
Oh, I'm gonna do 2 flip now, ready?
Wow.
Yeah, I'm talking. Like when I get up.
Doesn't even want it anymore.
Here, wait. Stand there. Don't spill my chocolate milk. Don't spill my chocolate milk.
Oh, no.
Just hold it right there.
Don't move.
I need to go. I need to get some more.
Get right
Don't
there.
move. Don't move.
Wait.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Oh, wee. Oh, I've made a friend. Oh, yeah.
Whoa, Mason, you're already going. Look at this. What is it, Mason? A bowling alley? Are you serious? Oh my goodness. Mason has been asking for a bowling alley ever since he watched the Disney classic, or Disney Channel original movie, Alley Cat Strike. He wants to bowl every night. taking pictures with your new camera? Oh, dueling cameras here. Whoa. Did you get a good shot? I'm getting great footage here. Do you like your new camera? You're so happy about it? Yeah. Oh, that's good. Just up close and personal with Woody. That's good pictures.
Look at you, Captain America.
Let's see, Cap.
America was here today.
Let's see, Cap. Come here. Let's see, Cap. Come here. Oh, wow. You are too cool. So now we got a Spidey. Your shield.
Hey, Mason, come here.
But all we had were underwear.
Take a picture of me on my new camera.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, we have a second Captain American. What's up, Cap?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow. Oh, cool. Oh, Spider Cap.
The pancakes and the presents were a success, and now it's time to get ready to go to the beach. Are you ready, Captain America?
Yeah.
Cap.
You ready?
And I'm Spider-Man.
Well, we got some more things to do.
Spider-Man.
When are you gonna do it?
Well, get ready.
We got you guys some buckets and shovels for the beach. Wow. Lincoln, you have one too.
Link.
Okay, this one? I like this.
I
We'll keep it
know.
in for now. We'll get off when we get this.
All right, guys,
It'll be
swimsuit
easier.
time.
Swimsuit. Like they're all trying to
Swimsuit
pull this
time.
off.
It's finally time to go to the beach.
Yay!
Hey,
Here, Mason.
who let a third Captain America in this house?
But, hold on. Put it in.
Uh,
I want to take a picture of him.
wow, dude.
So
You're so cool. Hey, Captain America. Hey. Hi. How'd you get to be so cool? We made it to the beach.
We did it! Got back to the beach house and we are now getting ready for dinner. We had a good time out there. It was very hot. The boys had a blast. We used the snorkels they just got for Mason's birthday, and it was awesome. But yeah, we got back here. The room is a bit of a mess because it was just me and the boys. Ashley went to the grocery store to get some things because we're making dinner tonight for everybody. And we just kind of chilled in the room the whole time. So now they're all scattered around, everyone's back, and we're gonna go ahead and start making some food.
I'm gonna throw the chicken on from the package. Okay. All right. Wow.
Whoa! What you making?
Trying all kinds of candles.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Oh, this one works so much better. So much
Sneak in here really.
No.
Just a little sneak.
What you making, Ash?
Beans.
Beans?
Beans and cornbread. Do you remember that?
Yes.
That
What was that?
thing we used to watch?
What was that thing called? Oh, Dinner and a Movie.
Dinner and a movie on some channel.
Whatever, yeah.
You ever
So
watch
good.
that?
Beans and cornbread.
What is it?
I have no idea
Dinner
what
and
you're
a
talking
movie?
about.
It was like this couple that would like make dinner And
I don't
then
know if they
you
were like
watch.
a
They
real
weren't like a
couple,
couple,
but they were just,
but
they hosted this.
It was actors, guys.
Yeah, and then
Actor
they
and
would-
actress.
And then you watch a movie like
And they cook.
are you the talking one, the talking babies?
Genius.
No, not the genius.
Baby geniuses.
Are you,
Well, oh, are you? I know what you're talking about. Look who's talking. Boom! That's me. I got it.
Oh, you were saying that way in there? Oh my God, I can't hear you.
No, nobody said that in there. I said it over here.
Beans and cornbread. Beans and cornbread.
Is that in the movie or is that the people?
That was like the song that would get you going.
Was this like the people who would like watch the movie with you while you're watching it, and then at commercial breaks they would talk?
And it was like at the end of the movie, it'd be like, beans and cornbread.
But I think the beginning too.
Probably the beginning too.
You guys
It's
are.
like a little.
Was it called Beans and
pitch.
Cornbread?
It was called.
Oh, sorry.
Wow. Let's watch some beans and cornbread.
Beans and Cornbread.
You're crazy.
It's supposed to brown.
We're browning the rice prematurely.
So hot. Sorry, working on those beans and singing the beans.
The beans and cornbread song, and you missed. That's hot right there.
So hot.
I just burned my arm right here.
Okay.
Just don't put your arm right
We'll
there.
just have a little burn. Well, wait, let me see.
Do you want to mix it all in?
You actually tell me it's good.
Tell me it's good. She said no, and now you mix it all in. Toss it all.
Like a little like last
Right, no, so it doesn't like popcorn.
Burnt popcorn, right? I'm gonna go check out the chicken, the chicken in the kitchen, outdoor kitchen. It's a grill. Ooh, double doors. Go out this way. Hey, oh, this is a fancy house, guys. I don't think we showed you how crazy this house is. It's got an elevator, or like the boys like to say, an alligator. But hey, look at this gigantic grill that we're cooking chicken on. I'm gonna lift this up in a second here and show you, but we're cooking first.
Cooking.
Get all
It's not
that.
super hot. I mean, like, I can touch that.
Well, it's because just those burners are on, I think, on the far right. Are those on?
They were earlier.
Oh, okay.
He's taking some video. Can you throw up the peace sign?
Let's see.
Peace.
Ooh, fancy.
All kinds of stuff.
Look at this fuzzy thing.
Yeah, he wanted to show you this fuzzy thing.
It's so weird.
Yeah. Do you want to touch it? No? Mm,
Okay, no thanks.
just look.
Do you think it's like a bug or something?
What is
Lindsay, he would like to show you this, Lindsay.
Oh, he's.
He would like to show you this fuzzy. Oh. What is that? You want to touch it right there?
Yeah, where's mom?
No? It's a little concerning. That's scary.
All right. Chicken is getting
Not ruling them out.
flipped again. And again, these are
Never
some.
grilled before.
These are some thick chickens. Okay, cooking update. This grill is huge, but literally, only this little strip, this burner is the only one that is working. All this, nothing. So I've got chicken right here, and we have worked our way down to this. We had a lot of big chicken pieces. It just wasn't cooking, so we started cutting them up smaller, sticking them just on this burner, and moving things in as they go. And oh hey, fire! Haha. That's fine. Anyway, we're gonna try and do these veggies over here too, let it simmer. We'll see what happens. I'm not a chicken guy. I don't cook chicken. I cook steak, and I know what steak's supposed to look like. So this is a little bit different. You can get a little sick if you don't eat the chicken or cook the chicken just right. So we're gonna see how it goes and hope I don't ruin dinner. Aww.
Look at that.
Oh, hold on, battery's dying. Are we really singing this song in addition to Happy Birthday? I mean, go for it. That's fine with me. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Mason, is that the right song to sing on someone's birthday? A Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas. Is that right, buddy? Is that right? What do you think, Mason?
No.
How about this? Start us off and sing what you're supposed to sing.
Merry Christmas
That's the song you sing on a birthday?
No.
All right, well, let's hear it. What's the song you sing?
Happy birthday.
Okay, that was kind of creepy. Are we ready? Happy birthday to you.
Oh, we gotta. Courtney's upstairs. Oh, she could.
Oh, Courtney! Courtney!
I know. I was like,
Well, that was not the reaction.
That's great. That's great. Everybody stop. She already missed the presents. Come on.
Courtney!
Courtney! Oh, we forgot her too. We forgot everybody. Courtney, it's time to celebrate me.
Sing to me, come sing to me.
Come cheer to me. Come cheer to me.
You're crazy.
oh, you're so good.
What are you doing?
Is it a pink bag?
Oh, there she is. Wow. Courtney, we were that close. We started the first line and we stopped. Oh, hold on. Are we picking up where we left off or are we starting over?
Bring it back around.
All right, everybody back around. Mason, stand up here. Turn around. We're going to start over now that Courtney's here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mason. Happy birthday to you. All right, boom. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah!
Happy birthday.
Birthday boy.
She said, hold on.
You might want to prepare him. Yeah, let's not. Ashley's great uncle Lloyd's birthday is also the same day as Mason's, so we are FaceTiming him as well. They live in Texas, but he's in the shower right now, so we don't know what we're gonna get on this FaceTime call. Oh, here we are. Oh.
You gotta get a towel. Look, your birthday twins up there.
And he just turned 80.
80 years old.
Uncle Floyd.
Happy birthday, Uncle Lloyd. Happy birthday to you.
He's got to get it on camera. Brandon's
We're trying to see you on this camera too. Happy birthday.
Where did he go? Where did he go? I can't. I thought someone, like,
A birthday boy.
I don't see anybody. Like, we're gonna take ice cream over there by your cake.
Oh, the cake cutting queen here. I gotta get a better angle here. Let's see this.
Cutting queen.
That's what you are.
I'm not a very good cake cutter. Whoa!
Everyone else is watching a movie. Ashley and I are just now sitting down to eat our food. It's been a long day. But this big boy here, he had a good birthday, didn't you, buddy? It was a great birthday. Snap-a-doo. Anyway, he's gonna go to bed soon. I can see it on his face. Alright guys, the night is over. It was a fun day celebrating Mason's birthday. We had a blast. We got to do so much. Got to go to the beach, got to go fly a kite, got to go snorkeling and play in the sand and all that fun stuff. We didn't get a lot of the night tonight after I think it's a frog is what someone said.
That's a frog. Cannot believe that we have a 5-year-old. So weird to me.
I know.
We have a 5-year-old.
It's going by very fast. We had a fun night too. We got to cook, grill. That was our night to cook tonight. We watched the Jeremy Camp movie. I think it was called I Still Believe. It's a good one. It's a tearjerker. But yeah, everyone's going to bed, and we are too now. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Please hit that subscribe button, and like the video if you can. Not if you can, please like the video. If you can comment on the videos, please do that. YouTube, please let that be a thing. If you can't comment there and say hi to us, come check us out on other social media avenues like Ashley's Instagram. She's always hanging out there, posting stories and all kinds of fun stuff, so say hey, like Captain America.
Like that mosquito just did to my arm.
Oh, great.
He said, what's up?
Ooh. We're gonna go to sleep now. We got a long week ahead of us. It's gonna be fun out here on vacation. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good night.
Bye.
Bye. Oh. Oh, I should. Ooh, cap.
Bye, guys.